Hey guys, today we're going to look at questions that involve functions. So I've picked some questions from different past papers, that's paper 1. So we'll be attempting them like that. So the first question that we have saying, given that f of x is equal to 3x plus 1, all right? And g of x, let me put the g of x here, g of x is equal to 4x minus 1. So we have f of x and we have g of x. So the first question we're being asked is saying, find the inverse of f of x. Find the inverse of f of x. That's what we are being asked to find. So now how do we find the inverse of f of x? So what we are going to do is, this function f of x can be written as y is equal to 3x plus 1. This is to a function, okay? That is to a function. So what you're going to do is you're going to make x to be the subject of the formula. So we'll take that positive 1 to the left side. So to be y minus 1 is equal to 3x. Then we'll divide both sides by 3. So that 3 will go. So we'll remain with x is equal to y minus 1 over 3. Then when we make x the subject of formula, we can simply bring in our inverse, say negative 1, the inverse of f of x is equal to. Now, because here there is x, where there is y, we put x minus 1 over 3. Now, this is our inverse function of that function. This is our inverse function of that function, or of that function. So that's how you answer the first question. Then the second question is saying we should find the inverse, right? We should find the inverse of 5. The inverse function of 5. So now, where there is x here, there is now 5. So where there is x on that function, we just put 5. So it will be 5 minus 1 over 3. Is it? So our final answer will be 5 minus 1, we get 4. So we got 4 over 3. All right? So now 4 over 3, we are going to express this because it's improper fraction. So our final answer, the inverse function of 5 is equal to 1, remainder 1 over 3 as a mixed fraction. So now we have managed to find the two questions. So now let's move to the next question.